Welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss about Google products marketing. Google's product marketing encompasses a comprehensive strategy that revolves around promoting and positioning its diverse array of products and services in the global market. At the core of this approach is a commitment to delivering innovative solutions that cater to a broad spectrum of user needs. This intricate dance of technology, user experience, and market dynamics defines Google's product marketing. Influencing how the company introduces, sustains, and evolves its offerings. One of the foundational principles of Google's product marketing is a focus on user-centric design. Google products are developed with a keen understanding of user behavior preferences and pain points. This approach is reflected in the intuitive interfaces, seamless integration across services, and the relentless pursuit of enhancing user experience, from search engines to cloud services. Google crafts its products to be not just functional tools but integral components of users' daily lives. The significance of data in Google's product marketing cannot be overstated. With a wealth of information at its disposal, Google employs data-driven insights to understand market trends, user behavior, and competitive landscapes. This allows the company to refine its products continually, ensuring they remain relevant and effective in a rapidly evolving technological landscape. Data analytics plays a pivotal role in decision-making, helping Google identify opportunities for improvement and innovation. Google's product marketing strategy is deeply intertwined with its branding efforts. The company's brand is synonymous with innovation, reliability, and user centricity. This consistency is reinforced across its diverse product portfolio. Creating a cohesive brand identity, Google leverages its brand equity to introduce new products, capitalizing on the trust users place in the brand. This brand-centric approach helps Google products stand out in a crowded market. A cornerstone of Google's product marketing is the emphasis on education and accessibility. The company invests heavily in creating resources, tutorials, and support systems to empower users to make the most of its products. This not only aids in user retention, but also fosters a sense of community around Google's ecosystem. By demystifying complex technologies and making them accessible, Google ensures a broader adoption of its products. In terms of product launches, Google employs a multifaceted approach, high-profile events. Digital marketing campaigns and strategic partnerships are carefully orchestrated to create buzz around new offerings. The company often utilizes teaser campaigns, generating anticipation and curiosity among users. Google's product launches are events in themselves, creating a sense of excitement and expectation within the tech community and beyond. Google's product marketing extends beyond just consumer-facing initiatives. The company recognizes the importance of engaging with businesses. Developers and other stakeholders, developer conferences, business summits, and partnerships with third-party organizations are integral components of Google's outreach efforts. This collaborative approach helps build ecosystems around its products, fostering innovation and expanding the reach of its technology. Search engine optimization, SER, is a critical aspect of Google's product marketing. As the pioneer and dominant force in online search, Google understands the power of visibility. Products are optimized for search engines, ensuring they surface prominently when users seek solutions to their problems. This not only enhances the discoverability of Google's products, but also reinforces the company's position as a go-to source for information and tools. Google's product marketing is also characterized by a commitment to continuous improvement. Regular updates, feature enhancements, and feedback mechanisms are integral components of this iterative process. By staying responsive to user needs and market dynamics, Google products remain dynamic and adaptive, ensuring sustained relevance in an ever-changing landscape. Thanks for watching.